सो आप ट्रेडिंग कब से स्टार्ट किया है?
I started trading when I was 19 years old, 2019.
इनिशियली जब आपने ट्रांजिशन किया था फ्रॉम इंडियन मार्केट टू क्रिप्टो मार्केट, हाउ वाज इट? आपको कौन सा बेटर लगा, कन्वीनियंट कौन सा?
Initial transaction was really weird because once you sense a direction, there is not too much of a movement. Like you know that okay, this is the range. Nifty will move from 100 points to 150 point max
Correct.
most of the time. But crypto, you come and see, you have to stay in the game to earn money.
21-22 ईयर का लड़का बोलेगा कि मुझे ट्रेडिंग में ही फुल टाइम करियर परस्यू करना है, सजेशन क्या होगा उनके लिए? इज इट अ राइट कॉल?
This is very difficult question. You cannot answer it very simply. I'll just say
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लेवरेज धनराज। तो अभी आप मतलब जनरली कितना एवरेज लेवरेज लेते हो? सो धनराज, आप हमारे 30 डेज चैलेंज में ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक ऑल 4 months यू आर प्रॉफिटेबल।
yes.
आपको कैसे फील हुआ?
Yeah, it was a good experience actually. कोई करता नहीं है। मैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे भी लगा था ठीक है, बोला है देते कि नहीं देखेंगे,
अच्छा।
बट आई एक्चुअली गॉट
Credited.
ओके ओके एंड सेकंड मंथ अगेन आई वाज लाइक ओके, एंड देन थर्ड मंथ अगेन, फोर्थ मंथ अगेन आई वाज लाइक दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज समथिंग डिफरेंट, दिस डज नॉट हैपन.
Welcome back to another episode of Shark Trade Stories, where we talk to real traders and understand their journey. आज हमारे साथ है एक ऐसा ट्रेडर जिन्होंने बस 19 साल में अपना ट्रेडिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था. इनके पास एक्चुअली 2 ऑप्शंस थे. वन इज़ फुल टाइम जॉब एंड वन इज़ फुल टाइम ट्रेडर. एंड बस ही डिसाइडेड टू गो विथ फुल टाइम ट्रेडिंग जस्ट टू फुलफिल हिज बिग ड्रीम्स. एंड ऑल्सो ये हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे पिछले 4 महीने से लगातार प्रॉफिटेबल है एंड 30 डेज चैलेंज की विनर भी है. सो लेट्स वेलकम धनराज पवार. वेलकम धनराज, वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट शार्क ट्रेड स्टोरीज.
थैंक्स फॉर हैविंग मी.
यू आर वेलकम. धनराज, कैन यू आप हमें बता सकते हैं आप कहाँ से हो? जस्ट ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट योर सेल्फ.
So I'm from Maharashtra, Jalgaon district. I'm 25 years old right now. I have completed my BE in Information Technology. That's my basic general introduction.
ओके, सो आप ट्रेडिंग कब से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, स्टार्ट किया है?
I started trading when I was 19 years old, 2019.
Oh my God, you're too young. So 2019.
Yes.
So you're like 25 years
Yes,
old
yes.
अभी. Okay, so आपको किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था ट्रेडिंग? मतलब you started trading in crypto first or Indian?
No, I started trading in Indian market only.
Indian market.
Crypto, I did not even know. I wasn't too much into the crypto stuff. But I started with Indian market
Indian
only.
market.
Yes.
एंड आपका इस पे इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया? कुछ स्टोरी है तो हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं आप.
You know, when I was 19, 20, I always used to see some. I was kind of an observer. Every weekend or so, I used to visit places which were way too good for good society, and I used to see these big cars and stuff. And I used to always remember, okay, even if I complete my engineering and I got good package and all this stuff, and by the time I'm 30, I'll be able to afford my dream car. And that was, and I didn't even calculate the other stuff as in that calculation. So I was like, okay, I could do something different, but I did not know what it was.
ओके, सो धनराज, ग्रोइंग अप ही आप बहुत ज़्यादा एम्बिशियस थे. यू हैड अ बिगर ड्रीम एंड दैट्स व्हेन यू डिसाइडेड कि ट्रेडिंग से ही आप ये ड्रीम्स परस्यूड कर सकते हो, करेक्ट?
Yeah, actually, there is a bit of a failure story there. Yeah, I got good grades in 10th and 12th. I was above 90% and all that stuff. I always wanted to go into an IIT, but unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, I wasn't able to get there. So I was kind of feeling like I am lacking somewhere. Yeah.
I think God had a better plans than I
You
did
can
for
say
you.
that. You can say that, definitely.
All right. तो अभी आप क्रिप्टो में कब से ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो?
क्रिप्टो, आई थिंक 3 साल हो गए अभी क्रिप्टो में.
3 साल.
2.5 से 3 साल ऑलमोस्ट, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
ओके, सो इनिशियली जब आपने ट्रांजिशन किया था फ्रॉम इंडियन मार्केट टू क्रिप्टो मार्केट, हाउ वाज इट? आपको कौन सा बेटर लगा, कन्वीनियंट कौन सा?
Oh yeah, initial transaction was really weird because Indian market को once you sense a direction, there is not too much of a movement. Like you know that okay, this is the range. Nifty will move from 100 points to 150 point max. most of the time. But crypto, you come and see, you have planned something and it's taking all the resistance level, supports level, and yeah, it's there only, but the movement is very, way too volatile. So it was kind of like an eye opener. Okay, this is also there.
Okay, that came as a surprise
Yes,
for
yes.
you. ठीक है. So धनराज, आज के डेट में आप ऐसा कौन सा स्ट्रैटेजी यूज करते हो? कैन यू टेल आवर व्यूअर्स अबाउट इट?
I don't think people should focus on strategy initially. पहले ना अपने अपना रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड और पोजीशन साइजिंग, रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड भी साइड में छोड़ देना. पोजीशन साइजिंग इज वे टू इम्पोर्टेंट. It's like a test cricket, like sir used to say. You have to stay in the game to earn money. You cannot just expect that each and every day you will get a good trade and you will be there. You have to stay in the game, whether what, no matter what your capital is. A week will come, a day will come where it's my, from my personal experience, it happens. Like if you are just in the game for the right moment, and if you are just patient enough, you are just trying to understand the market, hold the market will definitely reward you.
ओके, सो आप बोल रहे हो कि अगर आप कंसिस्टेंसी इज की, एंड
Yes.
वंस यू आर कंसिस्टेंट तो आपको रिवॉर्ड तो मिल ही जाएगा.
Yes, yes.
ऑलराइट. तो जब आपने स्टार्टिंग में क्रिप्टो में ट्रांजिशन किया था, यू सेड दैट द मार्केट वाज वॉलेटाइल एंड ऑल, तो आपने ऐसा कौन से मिस्टेक्स किया था जिससे आपने पैसे लूज किया था, या यू वर प्रीटी स्ट्रेटेजिक फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग?
No. At initial I lost crypto. मतलब बहुत मतलब हुए थे लॉसेस. क्रिप्टो में लॉसेस डेफिनेटली हुए थे, क्योंकि यार आप ना इंडियन मार्केट से एक माइंडसेट लेके आते हो, ठीक है, कि ये ऐसा ही होता है. बट व्हेन यू गो टू इंटरनेशनल मार्केट ना, वोलेटिलिटी इज क्रेजी. यहाँ पे आप 1 मिनट में देखोगे ना, 1-2 पॉइंट ऊपर नीचे होता है. आप बाकी के चार्ट्स देखोगे ना, द मूवमेंट इज सो स्विफ्ट, लाइक यू विल फील कि ये ठीक है, अपने डायरेक्शन में भी जा सकता है, अपोजिशन में भी जा सकता है. it's completely different than Indian market. If you are used to trading Indian market and if you are suddenly shifting to crypto market, just slow down a bit, I'll suggest. मतलब एकदम से मत ऐसा गारंटी के साथ वगैरह फुल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ मत करो. ट्राई टू एडजस्ट टू इट फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट.
गॉट इट. तो अभी आप ऑलमोस्ट 3 इयर्स से ट्रेड कर रहे हो, तो आपका अभी का करंट स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है?
करंट स्ट्रेटजी ओके, मेरा मैं अभी फिलहाल इंडिकेटर वगैरह तो मोस्टली यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ, प्लेन चार्ट रहता है. माई बेसिक फोकस इज कंसोलिडेशन एंड ब्रेकआउट, simple as that. What I would focus on, and price action, higher high, lower lows. First what I do is I see the chart, top to down approach obviously. Weekly वगैरह तो वो देखते हैं. Daily में I make a direction for myself, and initially you have to do it. It's a must. You cannot, like, you have to set one direction. Either I'm going to buy or either I'm going to sell. You do not want to be cut by both sides. It's very brutal. I have done it. I have made it many times. I have made same mistake many of times. So what you have to do is, okay, you have made a decision. Either it's going to fall or it's going to rise. Okay, whatever it is. On that biasness, you have to search for a depth. Like if you are on the buy side and you are just saying, like, consider 5 minute time frame that it's going up. Okay, that means you are right, obviously. And obviously market is 24 hours, so you cannot just know when to enter. So what you can do is, if the market is moving upwards and your direction is also upward, simply what you have to do is just wait for a retracement. And after a retracement, if you see like a bullish sign, a single like a simple engulfing candle also, like a red candle is there and a green candle engulfing one. So what you can do is just add on some quantity. Okay, then what you can do is observe. Okay, considering the worst case scenario, it will hit an SL, no problem at all. What you have to do is re-enter for the second time. If you are genuinely right for the day, second SL most probably won't be hit. And after that, I think you should just stop at the beginning phase. More than I usually go for 3 to 4 times, because crypto is volatile. But when you are in the starting phase, your capital is low, your risk management is low. So try to capture big points rather than focusing on.
गॉट इट. सो आपके आंसर के हिसाब से you're trying to say कि अगर मान लीजिए आप एक ट्रेड में एंटर कर चुके हैं, इवन इफ यू मेक लॉस, यू हैव टू एंटर इट
Yes,
अगेन.
so script is very volatile.
ओके फाइन. सो आप ऐसे रियल टाइम में करते हो एंड यू
Yes,
डू इट
yes.
फॉर 4 to 5
But
times.
actually my time frame is a bit bigger. मैं 15 minutes, 1 hour में ज़्यादा ये करता हूँ, because I like to hold the trade for, if I'm right, I like to win big, like you can say like that.
ओके फाइन. सो धनराज, आप किस तरह, व्हाट form of trading you do? Are you like you do intraday, swing, positional,
Okay, I
scalping?
started obviously with scalping. Now I'm in the intraday. I tried position. It's not for me. And means I can't say that it's not for me, but I'm not able to adjust there. So I'm just sticking to intraday for right now. Positional, I think you need a bit more maturity for that, and I think it will take some time for me to get there. Positional.
Okay.
So I'm intraday, you can say.
Okay, fine. Okay, maybe I think you will have to figure out certain things for being
Yes,
a
yes.
positioner, and that you will figure out with time. अभी
Yes,
तो
yes.
आप you're just 25. So धनराज, आप हमेशा से मतलब you started trading as a full time career itself. आपने कभी job नहीं किया है, right? तो how did you make this decision?
It wasn't like a decision, you can say. Actually, how my journey began was in 2019 I started my degree, and then there was this COVID period. I was at home for 2 years, and at that time I was genuinely able to focus on trading. Like I used to be I will sit there for the complete 9 to 3:30, 9:15 to 3:30. I'll sit there, I'll watch each and every movement. So like I kind of got hang of that stuff. Like, okay, if this happens, then there is a very huge probability that that will happen. So you cannot say leap. Like I was in front of the screen, and I never thought about like doing. I did some interviews, I got some, but I feel that nahi, it's not
आपका
for me.
इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं था
Nah,
उसमें.
yeah, exactly, you can say that.
ओके. तो अगर कोई 21-22 ईयर का लड़का बोलेगा कि मुझे ट्रेडिंग में ही फुल टाइम करियर परस्यू करना है, तो आपका सजेशन क्या होगा उनके लिए? इज इट अ राइट कॉल?
This is very like a difficult question. You cannot answer it very simply. I'll just say trading is fight against yourself. It's not you're fighting against market or stuff. If you are disciplined in your day-to-day life, then no one can stop you from making money in the market. And if you are just intelligent, then you are the first person who are going to lose everything. And market does not reward intelligence, it rewards the discipline. Like कितने भी आप होशियार हो जाओ, if you think that you are right, even 90%, 100% of the time, there is going to be a day that you are going to be wrong, and you are going to wipe out most of your capital. Then afterwards you will make some rash decision, you will just over trade. I have done this I have done these mistakes many multiple times, and you will blow up all the account, and then again you will go in spiral, and the movement will continue.
आपने बोला कि इफ यू वांट टू बी अ फुल टाइम ट्रेडर देयर इज लॉट ऑफ इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस लगभग रहा है ना 5-6 ईयर्स. तो हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम द इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर एंड स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग थोड़ा सा ऐसे सेन वे में?
Okay. The one thing that have helped me most is like reading the books. I have a library for myself. Like you can say I have 70 to 60 to 70 books almost. I have that 10x rules also, Grant Cardone. I know. I have read them, how to become millionaire, 10x rule, be obsessed or be average. Then afterwards, what was the how to be motivated? I have read almost all the 5 or 6 of his books. I saw that one. That's why I told. And I have multiple of those. Like I'll just say two things. You are the average of 5 people you spend time around, and how you do anything is how you do everything. If the people around you are genuinely like intelligent, and not intelligent, you can say like they're full of positivity, that affects a lot, and people neglect this saying and this stuff, all right, but each and every little thought in your mind, it counts to something. And if you hear one thing over 100 and 100 and like 100 times over, for example, like if someone said trading is gambling and everyone is saying around that, but you know who is successful? That one person who did not listen to the noise, and he just keep on working on himself. Well, he knows it's a very rare thing. So I think you should focus on your work and yourself. Try to develop yourself. Result will show.
Sure. अच्छा. सो you're saying अगर आपको इमोशनली खुद को टेम करना है तो you can read a lot of books
Yeah,
that can
it
help
helps a
you.
lot.
It
It
helps
helps
a
a lot.
lot. So the 19-year you and 25-year you का trading में बहुत ज़्यादा
Oh,
difference
oh
है.
yeah. Difference.
बताइए
Sure.
हमें.
It's some milestone. Like 19, 20, my chart used to be full of all the indicators. Name any indicator you can imagine. Or it used to be completely like clustered, all this trend line, that trend line. And in that I wasn't even able to see candlestick. The thing is, candlestick is, it's a very interesting subject. Like even if you even if there is a single candle, right, it display a story, and if there are two three connecting candle, there is a very good story that you should be able to understand. Like you should be able to speak with the market. I think I have achieved that, and it's pretty good. Not pretty good, like okay, you can say. Not pretty good.
So अभी आप बिल्कुल indicators use नहीं करते?
No,
No,
zero
zero.
indicator.
All right. Let's talk about leverage, धनराज. तो अभी आप मतलब generally कितना average leverage लेते हो?
I think 50x is more than enough. More than enough. 50x. Do not go for 100x, 150x. I know if you are right. If you are right one time, you will triple x your money. You will double x your money, and 500, 700 point moves in Bitcoin, and it's very common. But see, if you are really trading and you're watching this, you know उसके बाद क्या होता है. You make it 3 times, then within next 3 days you are going to lose the complete capital. Whatever your basic was there, even 100% it will go. Cause leverage is, when you are successful in leverage is when you understand position sizing. Position sizing is very critical. When you understand position sizing, you can use more leverage. There is no point about it. But you should understand position sizing for using more leverage. If you are in the beginning stage, 50x is more than enough.
So you're saying even for beginners 50x is
It's
good
more,
enough.
it's more than enough. I'll say go start with 30x, 40x, 50x. Because see, the thing is, leverage, आपने अगर 10,000 से भी स्टार्ट किया, एंड इफ यू कैप्चर लाइक four trades in Bitcoin for 1,000 points, it's like 30,000, 90,000 at 2,70,000, and then you are at 10 lakh, and then it's at 30 lakh. You seeing that it's not that easy.
Easy,
Yeah, it's
correct.
not that easy. It's crazy. Like you are in अपने अलग दुनिया में रह रहे हो. वैसा मत करो, बिल्कुल मत करो. Try to understand the value of money. It is difficult. It's not that easy.
Correct. And the higher the leverage, higher the risk
Yeah,
associated
exactly.
with it. So it makes no sense to take like 100, 150,
Yeah,
right?
makes no sense.
कौन से coins या कौन से asset में ज़्यादा trade करते हैं?
Yeah, this is very important. If you are beginner, just start with 1 or 2. That's it. मैंने अभी तक, मतलब मैंने किया था स्टार्टिंग में ट्रेड, मेरे भी लॉसेस हुए. मैं अभी खाली BTC और ETH में करता हूँ. ETC भी मतलब 10 में से 2 ट्रेड ETH में होते, 2 भी नहीं, 1. 8 के 8 BTC में. मैं बाकी के इंस्ट्रूमेंट देखता भी नहीं. या 1,000 1,000% रन इज देयर. आई सी डेली देखता हूँ मैं नहीं, ये तो नहीं है, क्यों करना है, सब नहीं करना है.
Got it. तो आप कोई metals में भी नहीं करते हो? Gold, silver?
No.
No, it's only BTC.
Yeah, because a platform is not there. Yeah, but some platforms have bought it. But yeah, gold is a very interesting instrument. Very interesting instrument. I'm in the beginning phase of, like, I was in the Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm exploring it.
Maybe later.
Yeah, maybe later.
Okay, fine. आपने कभी meme coins वगैरह में trade किया है?
नहीं. No,
बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं.
That's against your principles.
No, I traded like I told you, but not principal, you can say, because I know the fast money comes and go. You should find, if you are really really serious about it, try to find something that sticks and just prove it to yourself. Na, money will come and go. Your confidence is more important than money, I think.
Correct. So धनराज, आप हमारे 30 days challenge में almost I think all 4 months you were profitable.
Yes.
Okay, so how does that feels when you get like rebate back credited in your wallet? आपको कैसे feel हुआ?
Yeah, it was a good experience actually. कोई करता नहीं है। मैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे भी लगा था ठीक है बोला है देते कि नहीं देखेंगे,
अच्छा।
बट आई एक्चुअली गॉट
Credited.
ओके ओके एंड सेकेंड मंथ अगेन आई वाज लाइक ओके एंड देन थर्ड मंथ अगेन फोर्थ मंथ अगेन आई वाज लाइक this platform is something different, this
आप
does not happen. Yeah,
आप और कंसिस्टेंटली रहो तो
yeah, it's
maybe there
it's
is
really
something
motivating actually. Yeah.
else is waiting for you.
Yes, yes.
All right. Okay, fine. Dhanraj, do you want to give some advice to our viewers who wants to start trading?
I think technical analysis, anyone who have studied the market for more than 6 months or 8 months knows some basic of technical analysis. Even if you know that basics, it's good. आप क्या करो, सिंपल एक दो ही चीज़ें फॉलो करो. आप एक पोजीशन साइजिंग फॉलो करो और एक रिस्क मैनेजमेंट फॉलो, मतलब रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड फॉलो करो. इट्स मोर देन इनफ, योर अकाउंट विल ग्रो लाइक एनी.
दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस सजेशन धनराज. तो अभी लास्ट फेज है हमारे पॉडकास्ट का, विच इज़ रैपिड फायर राउंड. यहाँ पे आई जस्ट शूट अ क्वेश्चंस एंड जो भी चीज़ आपके दिमाग में पहली आती है आप वो बता दीजिए.
ओके.
ठीक है. व्हाट्स योर गो टू कॉइन?
बिटकॉइन, BTC USD.
Okay. What leverage do you prefer?
50x, 75x.
Do you prefer scalping or intraday?
Scalping mostly.
Okay. Do you exit fast or hold trades?
I like depends on the situation, but hold trades sometimes.
Do you use strict stop loss?
Yes, obviously the most important one. Yes,
Do you trade right after a loss?
I'm working on that. Sometimes yes, but it's very wrong, I know. But yeah, I'm working on it.
Which trading pair do you use the most?
I told you BTC USD.
BTC USDT. All right. What's your preferred trading time?
Yeah, preferred trading time morning 5:30. If I'm not able to catch that window, then around 6 o'clock, 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., 9 p.m. It's more than enough. You need not need to capture anything else.
Okay. How many trades do you take daily?
Daily 4, 5, 7 max, 7 to 8.
All right. One rule you never break?
Set SL first before you enter.
Like perfect answers. धनराज, आपने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में कि आप कुछ एक स्ट्रैटेजी हमें दिखाएंगे, तो would you be able to show that?
Okay, fine. My strategy is going to be a simple one. The only thing you have to look is Bitcoin market. It try to like stay where it has opened, right? So what you can do is simply, if the moment if you are trading from morning 6:30 to 4 o'clock and you are seeing a sudden rise, like here you are seeing there is a sudden rise, right? Price action is following each and everything, and here see the price action has broken. You can initiate a small trade here, and it happens multiple of times. See here also it has happened same. There is a sudden rise, then again there is price action. Now let's go in the opposite direction. Like here also there is the same thing. See, don't try to fight the price action. Just look at the charts. Price action is upward. See, no, not a single candle has been has broken the price action. Here see, simple price action break trades are there. Then afterwards same goes here. But see, what you have to do is in this strategy, just look at the candle. See here the SL is very good. What you have to do is, again, that's why I'm telling you position sizing is very important. Try to set the SL above the green candle like this high, and try to give a buffer of 20 points max to max.
Thank you so much for visiting Dhanraj, and here's a small hamper. Keep trading and stay profitable.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for this.
Welcome.